In today's video, I'm going to teach you Zoho CRM Cadences Beginner's Tutorial. We'll build a simple cadence from scratch so you can automate timely emails and calls for your leads with confidence. Start on your Zoho CRM homepage. Click the Setup Gear icon, then go to Automation and open Cadences. This is where you create structured follow-ups. Click Create Cadence to begin. Give your cadence a clear, descriptive name so your team can recognize its purpose at a glance. Next, choose the module it will act on. We'll use leads as an example. If it helps, add a short description to capture who this cadence is for and what it's designed to do. For enrollment, select Manual Enrolled Leads. Manual enrollment is great for beginners because it gives you full control over which records enter the sequence. Click Next to move on. Now let's add the first follow-up. Click Add Follow-up and choose Email. Name this email step so it's easy to identify later. Click Choose Recipients and select the email field, and also select secondary email if you want to include that fallback address when available. Then choose Email Template and pick from public email templates for a consistent, on-brand message. Save this follow-up. Time for the second touch. Click the plus sign to add follow-up to and choose Call. We'll configure when this call should happen in relation to the previous step. Change the timing unit to minutes and set it to 10 to add a short buffer after the trigger is detected. Set the transition condition to Opened so this call step becomes active when the prospect opens your email. For the call start time, choose Transition Trigger Date, then set an offset of 1 day and use time from Transition Trigger Date. In practice, this schedules the call for 1 day after the email was opened while keeping the same time of day. Select a call owner from the drop-down to make sure the task lands with the right person. Set the call purpose to prospecting, so reporting stays clean and meaningful. Type in a concise agenda so the caller knows the objective. Something like confirming interest and proposing next steps works well. Click Save. With both steps in place, click Publish to make the cadence available. A quick tip: use clear names for steps and keep your timing rules simple at first. If you don't see cadences, you may need the proper permissions from your admin. As you start enrolling leads manually, monitor results and refine your templates and timing based on engagement. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.